Hare Krishna. This is the Bosphorus, which flows through Istanbul. It's a 30-kilometer long stretch of seawater which joins the Mediterranean and the Black Sea. It's natural, it's not a canal. This side is Europe, that side is Asia. Both sides are Turkey. This strategically important strip of water separating two major bodies of land have been the center of power struggles for centuries up to the present day. It's a geopolitically, strategically important spot. What is it? It's water and land. But people fight over it and they think this is my land, I have the power. In the Bhumi Gita, in the 12th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, we find Bhumi Devi, the goddess Earth, is laughing at these people who think that I own this land, I have conquered this land is mine. From this land I shall dominate all other lands. Bhumi Devi laughs because we come into this world with nothing, we think this piece of earth belongs to me, and we go again. But the land just remains as it is. Bhumi Devi is the wife of Krishna. We should worship her and realize that we don't own anything. We have come to this earth, we have the human form of body, it's meant for God realization. But instead, people uselessly waste their lives trying to control, thinking something is mine, coming for tourism. These people are from Russia. People come from all over the world to look at this and that. They don't know the real goal of life is to know Krishna. So we should educate them. Krishna conscious movement is an educational movement for giving real knowledge. What is that knowledge? Vedaischa sarvera hameva vedyaha. In all the Vedas, Krishna says, I am the object of knowledge. Jnanam jnanavatamaham. He is the knowledge of the knowledgeable.